Welcome back to channel. Today we're exploring the latest rumors and leaks surrounding the highly anticipated GoPro Hero 13 Black. If you're an action camera enthusiast or a content creator, you won't want to miss this. The GoPro Hero 13 Black is on the horizon, promising to revolutionize the action camera experience with significant upgrades. A key feature is its larger sensor, which enhances light sensitivity, resulting in sharper, more vibrant images even in challenging lighting conditions. Coupled with advanced image processing algorithms, the Hero 13 Black will deliver superior video stabilization, reducing blur and producing smoother footage. These algorithms also optimize color accuracy, ensuring lifelike visuals straight out of the camera. The camera is expected to offer improved dynamic range, capturing more detail in both bright and dark areas, making it perfect for extreme sports enthusiasts and content creators alike. With these advancements, the GoPro Hero 13 Black is set to redefine what's possible in action photography and videography. Expectations. The GoPro Hero 13 Black is anticipated to push the boundaries of action camera technology even further. Building on its predecessor's strengths, we can expect significant advancements in image stabilization, offering ultra-smooth footage even in the most extreme conditions. Rumors suggest a potential leap in resolution, possibly reaching 8K video recording, allowing for incredibly detailed captures. Enhanced low-light performance could also be on the horizon, making nighttime and underwater shots clearer than ever. Battery life improvements are likely ensuring longer shooting sessions without frequent recharges. Additionally, AI-powered editing tools may be integrated directly into the camera, streamlining post-production work. Connectivity could be another focus, with faster wireless transfers and a more seamless integration with smartphones and cloud services. Lastly, we might see a more rugged design, possibly even slimmer, while maintaining waterproof capabilities without an external case. The GoPro Hero 13 Black promises to set a new standard for action cameras, making it a must-watch release for adventurers and content creators alike. Sensor and image processing. The GoPro Hero 13 Black is rumored to feature a larger sensor, a significant upgrade that could dramatically improve its performance in low-light conditions. A larger sensor captures more light, which translates to clearer, more detailed images even in challenging lighting environments. This enhancement will likely elevate the overall image quality, making your footage look more vibrant and realistic. Additionally, the Hero 13 Black is expected to include advanced image processing algorithms. These algorithms work behind the scenes to optimize each frame, reducing noise, sharpening details, and enhancing colors, ensuring your videos are crisp and visually stunning. This combination of hardware and software improvements could make the Hero 13 Black a game-changer for both casual users and professional content creators, offering unparalleled image quality and a compact action camera. Processor. The new GP3 processor is a significant upgrade, promising faster performance and new features that'll take your content to the next level. But what does this mean for users, and how will it impact your workflow? Software and user experience. Software and user experience are key for GoPro. With the Hero 13 Black, they have the opportunity to improve their app and make it more user-friendly. We'll explore the importance of software updates and how they can enhance your overall experience. Competitive landscape. The action camera market is getting increasingly competitive, with brands like DJI and Yi Technology nipping at GoPro's heels. Can the Hero 13 Black deliver the goods and maintain GoPro's dominance? There you have it, folks. The GoPro Hero 13 Black, a potential game-changer in the action camera market. With its impressive specs and features, it's clear that GoPro is committed to staying ahead of the curve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more news and analysis.